To find flash sales on Temu, open the Temu app on your phone. On the home screen, look for the flash sale section. It's usually displayed as a banner or under the deals or limited time offers category. If you don't see it right away, scroll down or check the categories tab. You can also use the search bar at the top and type flash sale to quickly find ongoing limited time discounts. Once you are in the flash sale section, browse the discounted items and act first, as these deals are all available for a short time or until stock runs out. When you find something you like, tap on the item, choose your preferred option, and add to your cart. Or buy it immediately before the deal expires. And that's it. Happy shopping, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips.